Chapter 24. After Miss Myers leaves, Sophie says she probably stayed all that time to make sure I was okay. Sophie shakes her head. Maybe she was afraid I'd be mauled to death by your hamster. My treacherous hamster is buried under wood shavings, asleep. Yeah, I say, Hammy's pretty dangerous. He's also sort of famous. What? He's on YouTube. I'll show you. At the computer, I pull up our Hammy Time video on YouTube. I made this one with my friend Elliot, I say, that familiar ache in my stomach. It was right after I got Hammy. In the video, Hammy's up on his hind legs, and Elliot and I edited it to make it looks like he's holding a microphone and singing while that old song, You Can't Touch This, plays in the background. We dubbed in Elliot's voice to make it say Hammy Time instead of Hammer Time. Oh my gosh, Sophie says, wiping tears of laughter from her eyes. That's so cute. Play it again. Sophie watches the video 6 more times. Why don't you have more views and comments? She asks. This is too funny to only have 4 comments. We never told too many people. I think of Tommy Murphy's words. Besides, our videos are kind of lame. Lame, Sophie says. You mean hilarious. She leans next to me and takes over the keyboard. What are you? I'm sending the link to my email address. Did you make other ones? I'm afraid she'll think I'm a giant dork. But I hold my breath and show her the talk time video I made with magazine cover Jon Stewart. Sophie laughs in all the right places and sends that link to her email address too. I love your top 6.5 list, David. Does your sister know about? No, I say, or I don't think I'd be here right now. Gotcha, Sophie says. I can't believe you don't have like 1 million views. I feel heat creep up my neck. I'm going to send the links to my homeschool network. Your what? Sophie pushes hair out of her face. You know, a network of other kids who are homeschooled. How many is that? She leans back. In the United States or internationally? My eyes widen. It's pretty big. My first thought is that I want to tell Elliot that all these homeschool kids will be watching our videos, but then I remember Elliot and I aren't friends anymore. He made that mean joke about my mom today. I said something just as mean about his dad. How have things gotten like this between us? You okay? Sophie asks. I nod, even though I'm not. She points to one of the comments for the video. Who's Matzo Ball Mama? I nod toward downstairs. Bobby. Sophie laughs and covers her mouth. That explains what she wrote. Excellent video, but lose the bit about your sister, mister. That's what I get for showing her how to use YouTube. Who's Latham? Sophie asks, pointing to the screen. He wrote 2 thumbs up. If you only see 1 video a year, make it this one. No clue, I say, but he writes really nice comments on our videos. Cool. A mystery fan. I'm totally going to let my friends know about this. Thanks. You should be WHMS in the morning, David. She waves her hand. You know, reading the school news. I sit taller. You think? You'd be great. I don't even know where the TV studio is at Harmon. My stupid voice cracks. What if I was on WHMS and my voice cracked with the whole school watching? I think it's in the media center. When I went today during lunch, I saw a door that said WHMS News on it. Sophie is leaning back on my bed, her curly hair swinging loosely. I inhale a faint whiff of peppermint. David? Yes? We'd better get started. Oh, right. I type the web address for Wikipedia. By the time Bobby calls us for dinner, we have 3 pages of notes about Albert Einstein. I didn't know some of this stuff, I say. He was pretty amazing. See? Sophie said. Einstein was the perfect choice, right? I look at Sophie hunched over her notebook, curly red hair framing her face. Yeah, I let out a long, slow breath. Perfect.